let's just get right into this. I guess this will be a vlog. It won't be super long or anything. Anyways, I got this from Amazon, this matcha latte. And because I keep going to Starbucks and buying their iced matcha latte and spending mad money at Starbucks, so I was like, let me just buy my own matcha latte and make it at home. And I watched a couple YouTube videos on how to do it, and it seemed really easy. So I feel like I can do it. So that's why I bought it, and that's what we're about to get into. I got my ice. So I'm just gonna put some cubes of ice in my mason jar. I got my vanilla, French vanilla syrup, the matcha, and my oat milk, because I don't drink dairy milk anymore. What in the world? Okay, I'm gonna put in a teaspoon. This is a half a teaspoon measurement, so. Ooh. Syrup, mason jar, and on top, and shake it up. Okay, let's taste it. Look at that. I guess who's never spending another $1 at Starbucks on a matcha latte again. Specifically just a matcha latte. It doesn't taste the exact same as the iced matcha latte from Starbucks, but it is just as good. And cheaper. Definitely gonna save me some big bucks. So, that being said, try that. Try this, try this, try this, okay? Thank me later. I thank myself now, but you thank me later. Hi guys, today is March 20th, right? I just launched my crochet line on my website at rainas.universe.com with all my cute little keychains. Let me show you all. Look at, we got lemons, some peaches, some cherries, and a strawberry. You can check it out on the site. Okay. Don't you want one of these super cute keychains? Actually, literally, no, you do. All that being said, is congratulate me, 1, on the site launch. Thank you. 2, I have way too much yarn. That's actually what this little video is going to be about. I have way too much yarn, way too many supplies, just like piling up a little bit too weirdly for my liking. This is my current yarn holder. That is literally a mess. So what did I do? I bought a shelf to put all my yarn and stuff on so that it's more organized, easier to see, not looking a mess like that. And I'm gonna build it. So I bought this bamboo shelf off Amazon. I will of course link it. It's in my Amazon storefront, but I will link it. And I'm gonna build it, show you guys the building process, I guess. And I'm gonna put it up somewhere in the studio. Move some things around so that it makes a little more sense wherever I end up putting it. And yeah, so let's just get into that. I'm gonna play Hamilton while I'm doing this. The Hamilton soundtrack. I'm going to be listening to that while I'm building this. So just enjoy this nice little music that I'm gonna put in the background while I listen to Hamilton. You can listen to Hamilton too during this part if you want, honestly. I'm listening to The Room Where It Happens. Start by saying what we're all thinking. And if you're not thinking it, it's because you don't know what I'm thinking. But what we should all be on the same page of thinking is this is not as big as I thought it was going to be. Granted, I'm sure that the measurements were on the description. It's not as wide. I thought it would be wider. It's as wide as I am. Which is fine. I guess because I'm probably not even gonna fill this whole thing up with yarn, but I had plans to. But it's okay, let's load her up. Okay, so I put it over here on this wall, but I think I want it right there if it fits. Yeah, I think I like this in this spot way better. This is doing it for me personally. Okay, so now I'm just gonna transfer all the yarn and stuff that I have on here, from here to the shelf. Color coordinate it, make it cute. I'm overwhelmed already, stop. Some new glasses and they're super like glare. Wow, look at that super glare. They're basically the same as the other ones, just with different sides. That's not the point of what we're talking about today. I have finished like sorting out, changing everything, organizing everything, and I'm pretty happy with it. It definitely looks way better than before, and that's definitely saying a lot for me because I had everything everywhere all at once. Did you guys see that movie? It deserved all those Oscars. Anyway, okay, so here's the shelf in all her glory. Start with the top. Up here, I actually have some prints and some mailing stuff because I didn't want them on the ground anymore because that's where they were, and they need to be flat so that they don't crinkle and stuff. Got the polyfill. Yarn, more yarn. In here is like all my needles and stuff. Pins too, pins and needles. On this shelf, I have my gouache, my watercolor, that's also watercolor paint. In here, these are my safety eyes and also like the backs for the safety eyes, random strands of yarn, some napkins. All these canvases, some mock skin, I think that's what it is. Moleskin for needle punching. Some rings, more like thread. I already, like I did a TikTok about this, but these are some extra acrylic paints. This is like honestly just random, but I have my palettes here. This is my little jar for when I'm cleaning off my brushes or dipping them in water and cleaning them off. Random bits and bobs, gesso, some fixative, random containers, charcoal products, and then this is just like random electronic devices. Like I don't know why I have my old phone here, but and then over there is an unfinished painting of my boyfriend, another unfinished painting, another unfinished painting. Like I said, I'm really proud of how this looks. It looks more organized. It kind of looks more like professional. Literally, things were on the floor. And I think it looks pretty nice. So today, Sean and I are gonna make some floating shelves. We have this big old wall, blank wall. So we're gonna put some floating shelves up there. We just bought some wood from Lowe's. Some, what are they called? 2 by 12 by 4.
They're by 8.
They were by 8, but we had them cut in half. So now they're 2 by 12 by 4. I got these brackets on Amazon. So we bought some brackets, we got our wood, and now we're going to put the shelves up on the wall. Okay, so we got all 6 brackets up.
What TikTok did you see this?
I don't know. I don't remember. But I did see it on TikTok probably. Now for the fun part, which is transferring all the books from the other shelves and putting them on this part. Sean said he's not gonna help me with it, but I guess that's fine. He did a really good job putting up the shelves, even though the bottom one is a little crooked. I don't know whose fault that is specifically. So no. This is the height, just for reference. I'm 5'6", by the way, and so this is at 6 feet. 6, 4, 5. 6, 5, 4. Anyways, yeah. Quick, I got these cute little clear, they all look like this, but they're in like this little plastic wrapping right now. But I got these clear bookends because I don't know, I didn't want to like commit to a color scheme or anything like that, so I just got some cheap little cute clear ones, and the thing link is in the description box below. Okay, so up here I decided to keep all of the Harry Potter and like my series, fantasy series and stuff up there. So we've got Harry Potter, Percy Jackson, Narnia, Wicked. I'm missing like a couple books of the Wicked. So poetry, classic literature, fantasy, like we got Circe, Song of Achilles, rah rah. And then down here is more like self-help and non-fiction books. And I brought this little side table from IKEA over here. It's this little lamp and this candle warmer or wax warmer. And then this is my current read. If you saw in like my last vlog or whatever, then I still have about 2/3 of it left.